What's up guys? I need to talk about this issue and it has to be addressed, as I have encountered this problem several times for the last month. And I have seen that other content creators also mentioning about this problem. I think that the cheaters are becoming more in the game. And I think maybe I have encountered one of them last night. So get your coffee, relax and enjoy the show. I have been experiencing some lag and short disconnection issues for the last months. I had a couple of times, but on yesterday's game everything was a little bit strange. The game has been freezing every 5-6 seconds, as if you are disconnecting from the game or as if you have troubles with the internet. Majority of people might say it is because of my internet or server problems. For the first 5 minutes of playing that match, I also thought that I'm having issue with the internet, but I have checked my internet and internet was working perfectly. For your information, I have optic fiber internet which provides the most stable internet connection with good speed, so I do not think that it was internet connection. Then I thought maybe it is server problem, but my opponent did not have any problem during the match and he did not froze for a single time, which was a little bit concerning, cause if there is a server lag, everyone has to experience it. And I thought maybe I'm playing against the cheater. I'm not saying that this person is 100% a cheater. However, there are some facts that speaks for themselves. The game has been frozen for every 5-6 seconds for the entire match. Here on your screen you can see how many seconds between each freeze, and it is so good calculated that the game does not recognize that you are having problem with the internet or server. Because when you have a problem with the server, everyone has to experience this problem and game has to be stopped with the draw. I had it once when server was laggy and game decided to end the match due to unstable connection with 0-0 score. Also, when you have problems with the internet connection, these connections cannot be so identical in terms of time and interval between them. If you have played other competitive games besides Efootball, you had probably seen that the cheaters use this kind of technique. They use software which makes everyone's game lag except themselves. It is pretty popular, you can read about it on Google, so it might be that case. Anyway, I somehow managed to draw the game even if it was a disaster to play. I tried to finish the game even if I will lose it, because I genuinely thought maybe actually it is internet or server issue and it will get fixed throughout the match, but it did not happen. It was the same scenario, lag, he scores and somehow I managed to score as well. Also, one of the points that indicates that there are cheaters in the game, this message from KONAMI, where it says that the KONAMI is taking actions against accounts who violate the terms of use, and they want to create a game where gamers can have fair and fun gameplay. It is crystal clear that this match was not coincidence. If it is, then it was perfectly planned. In conclusion, I'm not saying that this person is a cheater or softer. However, some points indicates toward that. Also, KONAMI is addressing to cheaters through the messages. If he was a cheater, KONAMI has to deal with the cheaters. If he was not the cheater, then KONAMI has to deal with the servers. I just want to hear what you think about these situations. Is it cheater or just server problem? Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts, and as always, stay awesome.